I've just done half an hour yoga and now I feel amazing.
So we've got the yoga behind us. They're going to have their yoga, then they're going to have their sauna and their sea dip, and they're going to feel great.
Get your makeup done, get your hair done, come and see us for a pamper and have an absolutely fantastic day.
We're here to make people feel special and important about themselves.
I came looking a mess today, but thanks to the fabulous hairdresser.
We want women to get up from the sofa and be part of a community surrounded by like-minded women, and this event gives us exactly that. So we are thrilled to be here today.
So today we're doing a talk about managing Christmas stress. Things get a little bit fraught this time of year, so we're here to help calm that down. Having a fantastic day here at the Winter Wellness Retreat at the Grand Hotel. Great to feel good in the lead up to Christmas and great for loads of women to get together.
It's been an absolutely fabulous day. I've done the reef making, which was brilliant. I didn't think I could do it. Pilates, excellent. Oh, the mental side of things is fabulous. And then we've got the line dancing, Christmas line dancing, can't wait.
They're just so supportive. It's all women, so it's really empowering. And it's just such a supportive environment. I can't recommend it enough. It's just amazing.